Here in this video, you are observing a diagram showing human digestive system parts. Digestive system is also called as alimentary canal or gut. So here you are clearly observing the parts of alimentary canal or gut or digestive system. So first part of our alimentary canal is mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And again you see attached to the digestive system you are observing the presence of liver and pancreas. Here in this video you are observing the main parts of our alimentary canal or gut. So here digestive system is given in the diagram. Thank you.